Okay, so here's the sketch of my beautiful girlfriend's initials, NB, on this piece of paper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to contrast the little pendant that I'm making with this bit of pine here and this bit of decking board that I will rip down on the bandsaw. So let's go ahead and we'll rip that down and we can start gluing. Glued up. There will be two sides in total to contrast the brown mahogany floorboards that are put in the middle. The beautiful NB initials will look absolutely perfect in the center of that. I will have to wait 24 hours before I can pull those clamps off, but in the meantime, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Be sure to leave a comment on what you think of the new intro. And yeah, I'll catch you all in part 2.